What's up guys, it's time to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A90. So recently Samsung Indonesia website mentions that the Galaxy A90 will have a notchless infinity display, which confirms the previous rumors that we have heard in the past. Furthermore, it says large infinity screen designed for more than just watching. All screen and no bezel, the maxed out notchless infinity screen gives you the sharpest details, depth and true to life colors for a super immersive experience, whether you are into games, sharing media or just kicking back watching some flicks. The ultra vibrant Super AMOLED screen makes all your media come to life. I personally thought that it will rock LCD display, but nope, this is indeed coming with a Super AMOLED display. And if you are thinking that why they use name Notchless Infinity instead of a new Infinity which they showcased at their developer conference, so the reason is the new Infinity display is the display that will come with everything hidden under it, whereas the Galaxy A90 will have a sliding and rotating camera mechanism with no hole, no notch, just display on its front. And after that, Steve Hammerstoffer aka OnLeaks come up with a tweet that the Galaxy A90 could come with a massive 6.73-inch display with obviously no notch or no hole, and with roughly 1.2mm bezel size on its three sides and with 3.6mm chin, which means it will be the industry's first smartphone to feature a smaller chin than the iPhone XS and XS Max. Yes, the iPhone XS has 4mm chin. Wow, I'm now confused which one is their flagship, Galaxy A90 or Galaxy S10, because now I'm gonna talk about the mind-boggling features of the Galaxy A90. OnLeaks further revealed that the Galaxy A90 will come with a 25-watt fast charging. Yes, 25 watt, even higher than the Galaxy S10 family. And not only this, according to iSuniverse, the Galaxy A90 will come with a Snapdragon 7150 chipset, which is a really powerful chip. It has a higher single core score than the Snapdragon 825 that is inside the Galaxy S9 and Note 9. It's having an 8nm process, and basically it's a low-end version of 855. So Samsung is really pushing their limits with their Galaxy A90. And not only that, the 8nm Samsung Exynos 9710 chip has surfaced online, which could be for the worldwide Galaxy A90, whereas the Snapdragon 7150 or 755 could be for just China and US. Now as far as the Exynos 9710 specs are concerned, they are set to include 4 Cortex A76 cores clocked at 2.1 GHz and 4 Cortex A55 cores at 1.7 GHz. They will be mated to a 650 MHz Mali G76 MP8 GPU, which is a little bit lower than MP12 of the S10 family. Also, we have some screen protector leak of the Galaxy A90, which looks absolutely amazing with their notchless design. Now Samsung also made their One Galaxy A phone official, which could also showcase at the A Galaxy event. I uploaded a full specs and things of the A70 on my Facebook page, and make sure to like that page because if anything gets leaked or anything gets happen, I updated there really quick. So yeah, that's all here in this video. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy A90 and please subscribe for more videos, and yeah, see you soon.